Welcome guys to this sleek Fedora 39 installation guide. In this video, we will be guiding you how to install Fedora 39 Workstation with Manual Partitions on any UEFI-compliant PC. We have already booted up Fedora 39 in live mode. To be able to reach at this screen, you must first download the Fedora 39 installer ISO image and boot from it. So let's not spend further time and start the installer. Quickly choose your locales. Choose the destination disk. Partition the disk manually as shown. Please note that this partition lay S for UEFI-based PCs. This won't work for systems with BIOS mode. You can create the partitions as shown. Please feel free to adjust the partition size according to your disk size. Once you are done setting up the partitions, click Done to testify it. The installer will start copying the files for you. It will take a race like a horse. Once the installation is completed, you must be seeing successful Fedora installation message on your screens. It's time to reboot now. Click on Finish Installation to reboot the system and configure Fedora 39 Workstation for you. Welcome back. Fedora 39 installation has been successful. Configure it for initial use. Congratulations. You have successfully installed and configured Fedora 39. You can use it now. Questions are welcomed through comments. Thanks for watching.